Planning for homeschooling can be an overwhelming task, but it's definitely worth it. I'm not a super strict person on planning, but I definitely liked having things ready for me. Like I knew what was going to happen. My brain could kind of be at ease. So planning helps you visualize where you're going. It helps you see the month, it helps you see the quarter, the year, it helps you see like what's coming. For me, it was great. I like being able to see that big picture and the nitty-gritty of every day. It also helped me stay on track. Even if we decided, oh, we're not going to do school today, we're going to go on a field trip, I could still see what was coming and know and be able to adjust like, okay, well, we'll just throw in another math lesson on this day so that we make sure we're here before Christmas or whatever. It also created consistency for my kids. There was no arguing about what was going to happen today. Well, I mean, of course, there is arguing and pushback sometimes, but there isn't like, oh, we're doing school today. No, we're not doing school today. No, we had a routine that we followed. Yep, we're doing math today because it's Tuesday and this is what we do on Tuesdays. You can do it now or you can do it after you do science or you know what I mean? So it created boundaries within where we were going to be as a family. And then the other thing for me, this is the biggest thing, it freed up my brain because I didn't have to be thinking, oh my gosh, what are we doing today? And there were a lot of days at the beginning where I was freaking out sometimes, like, oh my gosh, what are we doing tomorrow? I don't even know. And then it was like, I just